a lovely beautiful morning in Sarawak, Borneo, Kuching. We just had a lovely breakfast and we're about to take off and go for a kayaking tour. So hopefully all goes well. It should be good. I can't wait. I'm pumped. Pumped. It's nice and chilled here in the morning. Beautiful. I'll talk to you later, guys. See ya. Right, so we just did the kayaking tour. That was pretty crazy. But they put on a good lunch for us. So we've got we got chased by a snake. We got what else happened? We capsized. What else? We had a fair bit of stuff going. When I remember it all, I'll tell you about it. Alright, see you guys.